hard on my radar.
Nice. Do you wanna go over some of your trades? Good trade, bad trade for the week?
Oh yeah. What's up? Let's start on a positive note. All right, good trade of the week. Oh my god, I'm fucking killing this PD. It was funny because I had such a shit day. What was that? When did we buy this? We bought this the 12th. We bought this Wednesday. I had a shit day trading Tuesday. I was fucking so mad at myself. Just made dumb mistakes. But this PD set up, and I was really proud of myself. No hesitation. Just fucking loaded the boat. It went off the open. It was trading pretty thin. It was funny. It was tough to get stock, and then it was indicating above. It was 49. What is it? $50.80 bid by like 51.07. Just like 2,000 shares. Just fucking market buy. I was the one who triggered the whole trade. All the buying came in after that. But that one's it's up like $6 quick from where we're buying it. It just looks so explosive through highs. And on that note, all right. So bad trade. So that was easy money. But this MDSO. I was talking people in the what up? I was telling people in the chat how we were in this and we were buying it against 89. We were buying it against 89. It's holding up. 89 is holding up. Just buy against 89. And then what was this? It was Monday. Monday it opened right at the level and just kind of sold off all day. And then people were starting to sell. I completely changed my game plan. I was looking at the crowd. I was looking at everyone selling. I was like, oh no, I don't want to be in this. I want to save some money. So I cheated my stop by $1, and then we could see the next day it absolutely ripped. Mm-hmm. Major mistake, just like an absolute rookie mistake, changing my stop. Just kind of a bullshit trade. That's what I was really mad at myself for. Then I came in the next day and bought that PD, kind of made up for it. But it just goes to show you, you're constantly trying to improve and just not make the same mistakes and not trade your P&L and such. But it was funny how that was just like such a rookie mistake. So yeah, that was definitely my worst trade of the week. What you got?
So my best trade was this DXCM.
Oh yeah, that was nasty.
Buying this, it's like God. So it was like buying 120, added 122, added 120. Was it 124? And I actually completely forgot about it. The day that it went on the 10th, I had a 128 buy stop. Completely forgot, and it just ripped off the open.
Yeah, I think
my stop's 143.89. So this was just like perfect. Like, and one thing
can you have a better week with it? Look at this, the 5-day action in this stock. Can you have an easier week buying a stock?
And I honestly didn't even realize I was in it until probably like 11 o'clock on the 10th. I was like, it triggered. I'm like, wow,
it triggered. Oh, I'm in there.
Yeah. Yeah. But that was like
trading so easy.
That was the main thing I think with that trade was like I've been focusing on like if I'm dollar cost averaging, I'm always buying at a higher price. So it's like it is a perfect example. Like I bought 120, bought 122, bought 124, then bought 128, and then it finally goes like this is what the 5th time I bought this thing, and it's like now really that 156 is like or 152, 156 is like a pretty big resistance level going back.
Oh yeah.
So it's like now I got like really good stock that as long as I kind of sit with it. I can have good stock, and if it's not really ready yet, and it still wants to roll back over, I can still lock in like a pretty solid trade.
Yeah.
A couple of like the sneaky buybacks that didn't work, like Intel this week. We bought 46. Some of the guys bought 45. Just wasn't ready. I got stopped out today. I lost like 30 cents, but it just kind of like in limbo. That wasn't just kind of like a lunch money loss. CF was one. Again, this was like the XM. I kind of forgot about it. I had a 40.
Wait, did you get in this? I was just looking at this just now.
I got triggered.
That's got a nice base. This 46.
Yeah, this is like just like DXDM. I had the 44.05 buy stop in. Completely forgot about it. It triggered 2 days ago, and I was like, if it gets to 46, like that's a pretty solid level. But now I can sit in at 44. I have a break even stop. If it's not ready, no big deal. If it is, I don't have to really be perfect in the trade. LOW was like Intel, or it's like again 98 buy stop, kind of same little area in the chart like Intel. Break even stop. If it doesn't work, not the end of the world. But if this does sort of form the base, it's a decent little price.
Yeah.
I got something at Nike. I bought off lows that like big day. This was June 4th. So I had like a 79 buy stop. Triggers is ripped, and you can just see like this like 86, like 88 area of like resistance. It kind of reminds you of like Merck right now when it's like retesting 84. So like I got like quick 4 or 5 points at a Nike. It's like you got to just kind of take that.
Yeah.
I
Merry
really
Christmas.
expect like 10, 20 points at a name like Nike. Duncan, that was a name like I hated to buy. We spoke about this in the chat on like the 7th.
Wow.
And I literally bought the day, it pulled back in, and I knew it. I'm like, it's like 4th day up. Like I hate buying this name, but it's like the 4th time nail. I kind of have to do it. And first day, I'm like immediately wrong. Just pulls back like $1 in my face. I'm like, God damn it! I get stopped out again in this name, and it's up $5 since then or $4 since then. So I just have like a low day stop, 79.89. It stops me out. At least I made some money in it, and then we can get back in. Let's see. That was a lot of the PGR I learned a little bit from. We had that sneaky buyback, but I had this like a lot of these I'm learning where it's like I have the stop too tight. So I got stopped out like through 79, and again it rips another $5. So it was too tight on the stop, and that's kind of just kind of have to constantly improve on like trying to make sure we lock in profits in the winners, but also giving the winners the right room. And that's kind of like the next lesson for DXM, where it's like,
Right, that's what I was gonna say. It reminds me
it's
of
like that stuff
DXM,
like too tight, but it's like,
yeah, I was gonna say I didn't want to fuck with your trade, but it looks like you have such good stock. It's like the 8 SMA is like $13 below where it's trading right now, so it's only natural. It's gonna have to catch up in some manner. But I mean, the weekly chart is fucking insane for the stock you have. So it's like
that's like that toss up that it's everyone's always working on.